So what do you do with this thing? It's been a while since you've seen this. It's almost like, dinosaur, but it comes in fitness equipment. This is Bosu. You toss it. That's what you do. When you toss it to your buddy and you catch it, not really. But what you can do with it, especially 40 plus, people say, well, don't do crunches. They're bad for your back. They be true. But if you do them properly, it can be a lot of benefit. So one thing I will say, if you have this kind of back, probably not good to do Bosu because your mobility is a little off and your curvature in the upper part of your back can cause lower back pain. Again, I always try to correct this up. But anyway, back to the matter at hand. A lot of people, correct me if I'm wrong, do crunches like this. I did 100. That's what they do. It's all bragging rights, right? Ego. Now, if you don't care about bragging rights and you're 40 plus, you just want the outcome to be great and not hurt yourself, I suggest another way, using this Bosu, which means, by the way, both sides up, in case you're wondering why it's called Bosu, because you use both sides. Anyway, if you do a crunch, even do straight up, the correct form I like to teach is not this, right? Because just like in yoga and all that kind of stuff, they talk about elongate your body. Same thing here. If you keep your body long, you create more resistance because, again, resistance to distance. So when you come to your crunch, see I'm shaking already? And then now, I can't do 100 of those. I maybe will do 10 to 15 of those, and I'm pretty much tanked at that point. And what you can also do, that's just straight up and down rectus abdominis, or abdominals. You can go, same thing, and go across and work the obliques. Again, everything's really working when you think about it, but just for the sake of what everybody else thinks about it, core. So when you go up, you can go in a slight turn, you feel this whole side just light up like a Christmas tree, and then back down. Now, when I do those, again, if you're 40 plus and you don't want to be in the gym all day, you want to do 1,000 reps of anything, or say in the gym for hours at a time, I suggest doing something that isolates more by doing less. So that is the archaic dinosaur Bosu ball. Nobody talks about it anymore. We still have one here, and I suggest you try that out for size and see if you can do even a 4 count. 4 counts up, 4 counts down, back up, and see how many you get of those. And when you're done, you're done. Your body will tell you when your form starts to break, or you can no longer do anymore, or you can't breathe anymore, because that's your body saying, enough is enough already, so it starts shutting down the air, and you start breathing, you get lightheaded or something like that. That's the fight or flight that's happening. Then it's time to stop. No need to go past that point. If it has to get ugly, you're not really doing that much. You're just doing it for the sake of either ego or whatever the case may be, or you just absolutely gets crazy, one or the other, and you want to hurt yourself. But I suggest slow. Slow is the way to go. And this is Dietrich Get Fit Methods. Hope to see you soon. Bosu, both sides up.